Hello my beautiful friends out there, welcome to my channel Real Ria. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to it and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post my videos. Now today's video will be all about talking about summer essentials. Now summer is the time where you need to take extra care of your skin. Now the most delicate part of your body is your facial skin. So you need to make sure that you take extra care of this facial skin out there in your body. So the very first thing that I would recommend to everyone out there is a face wash. Now a face wash is a very basic skincare regime that we can follow. Now I have two face washes that I personally love to use. The first one is from Blossom Coaches. It is the neem and tea tree face wash. Now as you all know that tea tree and neem are great for oily skin. This face wash, it says that it controls your acne and your oil that forms around your face. And trust me guys, this face wash is a blessing. Now I like to use this face wash in my morning regime, but I also have another face wash that I use in my night regime, and that is from M Caffeine. It is their Naked Detox Green Tea Face Wash. This is another great face wash for oily or combination skin, because I have a combination skin, so I form a lot of oil and my pores get congested by this. This product is a great product to remove that clogged pores from your face. Now moving on to the next product that we have, and I want to share this with everyone out there, is a body wash. Now shower gels are my favorite, I would say, you guys, and currently I am hooked to two body washes. One is from Pears. This is their aloe vera body wash. Now this is a very gentle body wash. It gently cleanses your full body and it leaves a very lingering, very soothing kind of smell, and this is not at all harsh on your skin. It has given me, though this is a full bottle, you can see I have already used another product, another whole bottle of this body wash, and I just love this. Now I have another body wash I would recommend to you, is by Liril. It is their Cooling Mint body wash, and trust me guys, that is the coolest body wash that I've ever used, though it is currently in my shower right now, but that is also a great body wash to try for you. Moving on to our next product is a Nivea whitening deodorant. This is for underarms. Now I'm not a person who sweats a lot, but I love to smell fresh, and this is exactly what it does. It leaves a very soothing, very refreshing smell around my body every time I use this, and I highly recommend this for the summer season. Now as I said that I'm not a sweaty person, but I love to smell fresh, I have my next product, which is a perfume spray. This is by Engage. It is their W2 perfume spray, and this smells amazing. This is my go-to smell, I would say. I use it every time, and I don't know how many bottles I have actually used of this product. Now speaking of fresh smelling everything, I have another smelling product that I just absolutely love it, and it is by Body Cupid. Now this is the Body Cupid Secret Love. Now this is a perfume spray, and the smell, whenever, as you can see, I have already finished the whole bottle, and I'm going to very soon purchase another one. And I just cannot tell you how much I love this perfume. This is absolutely amazing perfume to try on. If you want to try out the other Body Cupid's perfumes, please do try it. They are also as great, but I love this product, that is Secret Love, the most out of all the Body Cupid's perfume that I have tried at least. Now moving on to the next product I have, and this is a highly recommended thing for the summer season, especially for oily and for combination skin, and that is a toner. Now the toner that I am currently using is by Plum. It is their green tea alcohol free toner, and my god, I think I have a kind of attraction to nice smelling products, and this is definitely one of them. This smells heavenly. Oh my god, I can't tell you how much I love this smell of I love this smell. You know, it is a very, very soothing, very calming smell that is absolutely, absolutely lovely to wear on this summer season when it is hot and humid. And speaking apart from the smell, this product does wonders for my skin. You know, I have a combination skin and I tend to get bumps all around my face whenever I step outdoors or whenever I'm cooking. So, and even when I'm exposed to dust. And this toner, guys, trust me guys, this toner helps me a lot to suppress my bumps. I just love it. Now moving on to next product. It is very, very essential even in the summers to hydrate your skin nicely. And I am having my favorite moisturizer with me, and it is by L'Oreal. It is their Hydra Fresh Moisturizer. Now, as because I have oily skin, not totally oily, but yeah, I have a combination skin which tends to get a lot oily in this hot and humid weather, and I have applied many moisturizers before, and trust me guys, I was never satisfied with any kind of moisturizers that I use, but this moisturizer, I think I am totally in love with it. You can see how much I've almost finished 95% of the product here, and I'm going to repurchase this soon. This is a gel based consistency, and it is absolutely suitable for combination to oily skin type, because it just seeps inside your skin and it does not leave any traces of oil. Rather, it gives a very cooling effect on your skin, perfect for this summer season. Moving on to my next product. Now, it is not always and only important to hydrate and moisturize your skin during the day. It is equally, and I think it will be more it is more important to hydrate your skin in the night time. And I have my favorite night cream. This is actually a night gel. This is again by M Caffeine. It is from their green tea range, and this night cream is awesome. Though this is a gel base, because I like to use gel base, because whenever I use cream based night creams, I do get a little 1 or 2 acnes out there on my skin in the morning, but this does not ever cause me any kind of breakouts. Rather, it helps me to subside my acnes or pimples or little bumps, little rashes out there here and there on my face. This is my absolute favorite night gel. Now, it is not only important to hydrate your skin in the summer, it is equally important to protect your skin from the harsh sun out there. So my next product is actually a sunblock. Now, the sunblock that I use is by Lotus Safe Sun. This is actually their sunblock spray. It also comes in the gel variant, which I like it because, as I said, I have combination skin and I kind of break out during this summer season a lot. So I think this is my go-to product. This and the gel, I just switch over and use. Sometimes I use the spray one, sometimes I use the gel one, but it is absolutely important for anyone out there to use a good sunscreen even when you are indoors. Now, this is SPF 50. I do love to use a higher range of SPF because I feel it kind of protects your skin more. So I think this is a great product and also a very budget friendly product. Now, when I'm talking about sunscreens and when I'm talking about protection, it is not only important to protect your skin, your facial skin, but it is equally important to protect any kind of your exposed body part. And for my body, I like to use Garnier Light Complete. This is a moisturizing serum and lotion. It comes with vitamin C and it is a very good product. It does protects my skin from UV filters. It's non-sticky in texture and this is very affordable. 250 ml comes in only 275 INR. So it is absolutely highly suggested and recommended by me. I would say you can try this out, guys, for protection for your exposed body parts. Now, many of us have this misconception that face washes cleanses our skin totally of the dirt and the germs that are accumulated there in the face. But no guys, that is not the case. Face washes does a decent job in cleansing our face, but they do not totally cleanses our skin. So for totally cleansing your skin, you need to have a good cleanser. Now, the cleanser that I use, and I will highly recommend this cleanser for at least oily and combination skin, is a face cleanser which is actually a mint cleanser by Blossom Cultures. And oh my god guys, this is such a beautiful cleanser, and this is not only a cleanser, it is kind of a very refreshing and soothing. It calms your skin, it cools your skin, and it gives that very cooling sensation on your skin. And the best part is that it is paraben free, it is sulfate free, it is chemical free, it is alcohol free, and color and fragrance free. And I just love this product, and I would suggest this to anyone out there, especially to those who have oily and combination skin. At least give this face cleanser once a try. Please do try this once. Now, it is not only important to cleanse your face, but it is also important to exfoliate your face. Now, to exfoliate your face, you need a good scrubber. Now, the scrubber that I use is by Mamaearth. This is their charcoal face scrub, and this is such a good face scrub. Now, charcoal acts as a magnet for all the pollution, all the dirt out there on your face, and this face scrub actually does a lot of good things for your skin. It takes away your pollution, filled pores, it cleanses your skin, and the best part that I like about this scrub is that it does not leave your skin dehydrated. It does any great job of moisturizing your skin, but it does not at least dehydrate your skin. Now, moving on to my next products, I have 3 products in line for you people, and those are face masks. Now, I like to use 3 face masks, and I am currently switching between these 3 for this summer season. The first face mask that I have with me is actually again by Blossom Culture. It is their activated bamboo charcoal face pack, and this is such a lovely face pack. It cleanses your skin. It gives a very refreshing, a very fresh feeling after you use this face pack. The second face pack that I have with me is again, this is by Oriflame. This is their tea tree face mask, and this is absolute favorite because the consistency of this face mask is just lovely. It is a clay based face mask, so it works great for oily skin. Even it works very good for me, for a combination skin type that I possess, and I just love this face mask. And the third face mask that is my go-to product, I would say, is actually by Lakme. It is their Blossom Glow face mask in strawberry, and look at how tiny and very cute this bottle is. And this is actually travel friendly, so I do like to carry it whenever I'm traveling, and this is my go-to product, I would say. And this again contains clay, which is great for oily and combination skin, so you must give this a try again. Now a special mention in my video will always go to aloe vera gel. Now, I am a person who loves to use aloe vera gel, and the current aloe vera gel that I am using is by Wow. It is their Wow Skin Science aloe vera gel, and this is such a good aloe vera gel. It not only does the purpose of hydrating your facial skin, it also does a pretty good job in hydrating your body. So whenever I'm out of the shower and I don't like to put on a lot of creams around, body creams, I always go to this product and I use this product all over my body, and it leaves my body soft and supple. Now, the next 2 products that are lined up for you people are actually lip products. Now, it is very important to not only hydrate and not only moisturize your skin, not only your skin guys, but it is equally important to moisturize and hydrate your lips. And I have with me 2 products that I absolutely love for my lips. The first one is actually by Vaseline. It is the Lip Care Aloe Soothe Lip Balm, and this is such a refreshing and nice moisturizing lip balm. And the second product that I have, it is by Blue Heaven. Look at how beautifully packed this product is. This is such a lovely product, and this is enriched with shea butter, almond oil and vitamin E, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who has chapped lips, who has cracked lips. This is a very moisturizing lip balm. You must give it a try. Definitely give it a try. Now this was all about my facial care and body care, but I have left one product in my kitty that I have saved for the best and the last, I would say, and it is actually by Oriflame. This is their milk and honey scrub, and guys, this is a body scrub and I can't emphasize how beautiful this body scrub is. This removes tan, this leaves the body supple, soft, and it generously does the work as it claims that is a scrub. It actually cleanses your body out of every dirt that gets accumulated over your body, all over your body. And I will highly recommend this body scrub out there for you guys. So these were all the products that I had for you today. If you have ever used any of these products and you really liked or disliked the products, please write it in the comment section what you feel about these products and which products you are going to try later on. And so this was all about today. So if you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching my video.